Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the O4DX token. That is the ticker symbol. Name of the token is OrangeDX, all one word. And it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that the OrangeDX token, which is a BEP20 token and a BRC20 token, this token will be listed on a central exchange called Gate.io, on March 26th at 14 hours UTC time. Now, we'll go over a couple different ways to get this token here. But first one is Gate. So if Gate is available in your country, which it's not available in everyone's country, which is why we'll go over a couple different ways. But if it is available in your country, basically you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at Gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search O4DX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that is one way to do it. Then we have this token's also on the Binance Smart Chain. So you could basically fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the O4DX token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is OrangeDX.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Unfortunately, it is not available yet on PancakeSwap because it's not even available yet. The token is getting launched here March 26th, so probably around the same time it gets listed on Gate. It'll be on PancakeSwap. And then you could also get it the BRC20 way with UNISWAP. UNISWAP.io, BRC20 token. If we go over there, they have, total supply here. It says 100 million tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. It has the inscription number, all that type of stuff. So it is on unisat.io. You can find it there, unisat.io/BRC20/O4DX. And then PancakeSwap says they only have one holder, same amount of tokens, all that type of stuff, 18 decimal places. You can also find a full white paper here, orangedx.gitbook.io. So they go over a whole explanation about BRC20, and we don't need to go over all that type of stuff, market opportunities, setbacks, all that type of stuff. Let's skip down to the OrangeDX Solution Suite, which is the revolutionary all-in-one DeFi solution for BRC20. Now, OrangeDX is a unique platform in the DeFi arena, innovatively integrated with the Bitcoin protocol. It bridges the gap between the rock-solid security of Bitcoin and the vibrant world of DeFi, empowering users to trade, swap, bridge, and launch innovative BRC20 projects with unprecedented ease. OrangeDX, symbolized by the token O4DX, represents a comprehensive blockchain platform composed of four foundational pillars: bridge, trade, launch, and earn. So bridge pillar facilitates seamless transfers from the Bitcoin network to EVM chains, with plans for future expansion to include additional blockchain networks from non-EVM chains to Bitcoin Layer 2 chains. You could trade component introduces an automated market maker swap system distinguished by its integration of real-time charts to provide a user-friendly trading experience. Trade section is also geared up to future expansion to include perpetual DEX trading to diversify its trading capabilities. Also, the launch serves as OrangeDX's in-house launchpad dedicated to debuting innovative BRC20 projects, thereby attracting organic traction from diverse project communities. And Earn Pillar encompasses a suite of DeFi activities, including staking, farming, lending, and borrowing, offering users various avenues to generate yield on their crypto assets. Alongside these features, the platform includes a native DEX aggregator, the first of its kind, catering to BRC20 tokens, and simplifies the process of exploring various trading deals. Another distinctive aspect of OrangeDX is its initial liquidity offering within the launchpad specifically designed for BRC20 liquidity bootstrapping. Additionally, OrangeDX's commitment to decentralized governance is embodied in its DAO, empowering the community with a voice in key decision-making processes. This combination of services utilizes the security of Bitcoin, positioning OrangeDX as a pivotal player in merging the stability of Bitcoin with the dynamic capabilities of DeFi. So their vision is to be the gateway to a diverse and thriving BRC20 ecosystem, empowering users of all experience levels to seamlessly access and leverage the full spectrum of DeFi opportunities, positioned as the BRC20 equivalent for 1inch, AVE, and Uniswap. OrangeDX's mission is centered around elevating the BRC20 ecosystem, aiming to democratize DeFi by creating a premium DEX exchanges that simplifies its complexities. Specifically for BRC20 token users, the focus is on fostering innovation within BRC20 projects and protocols, ensuring robust security for users' assets within this framework, and building a community dedicated to the growth and development of the BRC20 space. Moreover, OrangeDX is committed to driving sustainable growth in the Bitcoin ecosystem through responsible governance and clear practices, making it a secure, forward-thinking environment for investors and users. Now, they have token utility, so you can gain access and participate in a variety of token sales on the O4DX launch hub, including initial DEX offerings, initial NFT offerings, initial liquidity offerings, etc. Empowers and engaging in staking and farming activities. So you can do that to earn more tokens. It's essential basically for the whole ecosystem. You could use it on the lending and borrowing ecosystem. And then you could trade it on decentralized exchanges. There's a vault, there's a DAO, improvement proposals, revenue sharing, governance voting, all sorts of stuff. You can check it all out. OrangeDX.gitbook.io is their paper where you're going to find all the info. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.